Good day, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with the Klarenbach Special Crops Report. Today is October the 31st, 2025. Let's talk Canary Seed. If you haven't watched those videos on special crops in that three-part special crop series with David Nobbs, if you haven't watched them, if you haven't watched the Canary Seed one, I strongly encourage you to do so. Those comments in those videos remain relevant to today, and they might provide some guidance as to what can happen in the future. I think it's incredibly valuable information. I encourage you to watch it. It's on YouTube. It got distributed through the newsletter, and it's also on the blog. You can go to the Klarenbach Special Crops Report website, click on Canary Seed, and you'll find all the previous reports which you can view and watch. Canary Seed, yeah, ugly looking chart. Ugly looking chart. It remains broken in my opinion. This is a monthly chart. Okay, I'm going to repeat myself again as people are just getting used to the terminology. So this is a candlestick chart. Each candlestick represents a month, represents the open, the close, and the full range of price during that month period. Extremely valuable information, extremely interesting. The closing price is the one that's most important, but you use this intermonth information. It can be extremely valuable and should not be dismissed. So yeah, here we are. Here we are with Canary Seed. And my index is down at 19 cents a pound, between 19 and 19 and a half cents a pound. So again, you can probably get a higher price somewhere. You can probably get a lower price somewhere. Maybe there's places with no bid. I'm not entirely sure. But this is an index price and should be considered that. And it's a great way to view the trend, support and resistance levels. And as in every other commodity that uses the price index, when a sell signal triggers on the index, it's a sell signal for you wherever you are in Western Canada, probably the world. So you Australian viewers, consider that. You Americans, same thing. It's extremely valuable information and should be considered a sell signal in your jurisdiction. So right now we're down here around that 19 and a half cent level. I have a Fibonacci level at 18 and a half cents a pound. Let's just look at this. Get my glasses on. These numbers are small and they're right at y-axis. But probably more interesting enough is how this 19 cents has been important level support back here in 2018. I'd argue 17, again in 14. It acted as resistance through 09, I would argue. And it's been a kind of important level for the last, well, I don't know, 16 years, I might say. Getting back to these levels, you thought they would never get down there again, but here they are. And if this 18-cent level doesn't hold up, then we turn our sights down to 13 cents a pound. Okay, there's a little bit of support through here through 16. Our previous supply through here at 16. If you want to just work off the Fibonacci's, we're looking down at 13 cents a pound. So 19 cents is extremely important in the Canary Seed market, in my opinion. If we break below there, if we break below 18 and a half cents, 18 cents a pound even, then I think we got to start taking risk off the table in anticipation that this price is going down to 15, 16, and maybe down to 13 cents a pound. Don't say it can't. We didn't think it'd go down after it hit 60 or 40 or 50 or 30. Here we are now at 19 cents. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.